Easy game for dogs. A bowl of treats.
All you need, deliciously healthy treats, some loo rolls, big bowl, and your dog. All you do, scrunch up the end of a bog roll, pop in some treats, scrunch in the top of the bog roll. That's it, repeat. Then ask for a bit of focus, and go. If your dog's a cardboard muncher, probably not the game for them. A really lovely sniffing game. Roscoe was snuffling around for ages. Give it a go and let us know in the comments how you get on. Oh, and don't forget to follow for more lovely, easy dog games.